Hi there, Solomon here from CTM. Now at CTM, we're all about keeping it in the family. That's why we provide you with matching bathroom sets to suit your budget and style. Starting off, of course, today I'd like to introduce you to the Constantia White Bathroom Set. Starting off with this magnificent front flush toilet, which makes the handle nice and easy to use for the kids as well, and a nice durable seat with intricate detailing right around. It features a generous ceramic pan at the bottom, as well as a mechanism coming with the whole system itself. Matching with it, of course, you get this magnificent large basin and pedestal set. The basin features your intricate designs as well to match your classic design, and also features a nice deep bowl for everyday practicality. You also get this magnificent bath, which is actually nice and large, making it perfect for a relaxing soak after a long day. It also features those beautiful, intricate designs going right around the bath itself. It's made of acrylic, ensuring, of course, that it retains the heat of your bath water for longer, so you can get to enjoy your soak slightly longer as well. So, if you feel like this beautiful set is the perfect one for your space, then simply click that add to cart button and get this beautiful white set delivered straight to your doorstep.